I got this lawnmower from Facebook Market, and I told the guy to hold it for me until Friday morning, and I'll give you an extra $50. So as you can see, it's Toro Recycler SmartStow. Looks good condition, just a little dirty. The guy was saying it's blowing some smokes, but the smokes disappear after it's, probably it's extra oil in there, or there's an oil leak somewhere. But the mower looks good, the bag looks good, so this is a good mower, and I got it for a good price. Even I increased it by $50. So let's try it. I see that thing is full, that's why I was smoking. He's probably tried to do it himself and he doesn't know how to do it. He said he put some gas in there. Yeah. All right, let's try it. I probably need the carb clean. Okay, let's start it. Yeah, it has to smoke with that kind of oil amount in the engine. It has to smoke, so that was a good buy. So just do the service and it's good to go.